I am writing you, or I'm doing this video just to let you know that I want to wish you the best of luck on both of your IAs. Take your time. I know that you guys are going to do great, and know that I will be back on the 16th. My husband got sick, so I am taking some time to take care of my family. So just know that I am thinking about you guys, and I really wish that I can be there. But I know that you guys are going to do great on your IAs, and I can't wait to see your results. Stay safe and know that I am thinking about you, and you can do this. Remember to take your time, do your gist, read the question slowly, go back and look for evidence. Everything that we have been doing this school year, this is for you to show me and Miss D and your parents and the school just how amazing readers you guys are. So I will see you all soon, and take care. Bye, guys.